Hello everyone, hope you're doing all well right now. Right now in this tutorial, I'll be show you how you can easily remove background with Canva. Okay, so first of all we upload file. Okay, some file. Uh, I will show you like I take this file. Okay, this photo, and then click on open. Okay, okay, so right now you will see that this upload, right? Okay, so we'll be click on this image. Okay, and we'll be increase the size. Show you, yeah, see, it's increased right now. And we'll be click on busy remover. Okay, click on here. It needs some time. We'll be waiting little bit. Hold on. See, it is now background remove. Okay, so if you want, then we can easily uh, export from here. See, we'll click on here and we'll be download this file easily. Okay, so if I show you again, like, okay, another is the image. I'll be show you. Okay, upload a file, click on here, and this image will be uploaded. Okay, we'll be delete that image and I'm going to show you again. Okay, so click on here and increase the size and click on busy remover. Okay, click on busy remover. It needs some time, please wait. See, boom, how easily you can remove your background easily. Okay, so uh, for this work you need a premium Canva Pro. Okay, otherwise you cannot remove the background. If I go to Canva pricing, it around need $55 every month. Okay, only more for my subscriber. uh, I give you 90% discount. Okay, so if you want to need this Canva tool, you can contact me. Okay, or you want to make thumbnail like this, you can. Yeah, so if you want, then you can also make eye-catching thumbnail. So if I show you, hold on a second. Yeah, see, there are a lot of thumbnail in here. You can easily uh, edit it, and you can easily use this template in your YouTube, for your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so uh, click on customize this template. This is premium. Okay, so you need premium to use this thumbnail. So yeah, so see, so yeah, if you any question, then you can ask me, or if you need any help, you can message me in my WhatsApp.